Here we are adding or subtracting algebraic fractions, and the key thing to do is use the lowest common multiple. So when I add a half plus a quarter, I could change it to 4 over 8 plus 2 over 8. Okay, multiply, basically cross multiply. Or I could use the fact that the lowest common multiple is actually a quarter. It's just 2 quarters plus a quarter. Okay, why am I talking about this? Because it's essentially the same thing with algebra. I could basically multiply all of these together in some sort of way, but actually, if I just use the lowest common multiple of the fractions, which is this bit here, then it's all going to work out. So I can take the first one and I can multiply the top and the bottom by x minus 7. I can take the second one and I can multiply top and bottom by x plus 5. And then finally, with this one, I don't need to do anything to it because it's already got the denominator I'm interested in. So I'm just going to write down minus 300 divided by, and I'm expecting this all to cancel down. So that's a nice little hint that the question's given me. I know that's going to happen at some point. Okay, that's step one. Now I can add the fractions together, and I'm just going to put them all over this common denominator. I'm personally not going to expand any brackets quite yet. Okay, now I'm going to expand the brackets. So I'm going to get 5x squared minus 35x plus 25x plus 125 minus 300 all over x plus 5 x minus 7. Now what I've spotted that maybe I should have done before. Now I'm not going to do it quite yet. Let's keep going. I'm going to simplify my terms now. So this is going to become 5x squared minus 10x minus 207, no, not 275, minus 175x. Okay, this looks like a horrendous quadratic, but here's the thing I was starting to say before. There's a common factor of 5 here. So I can just take that out. I'm going to use a square bracket because I'm going to factorize inside this in a minute. No, why am I bringing out the square brackets? Let's leave it like this. 5x squared minus 2x. How many 5s go into 175? Well, I could reach for my calculator, but it's going to be 35. And I'm betting this quadratic factorizes to what is on the denominator, but let's just be careful. Okay, two numbers that multiply to give minus 35. Wait, that was not meant to have an x in. Why did they introduce an x? Sorry. Minus 35 and add to give minus 2. Hello, x plus 5, x minus 7. Yeah, these cancel, this cancels, and we're going to be left with 5. Quite a nice question, I think. It doesn't matter what x is. X could be anything. It could be 1,000,001. It could be pi. It could be 3. We'll always get 5 as our answer here.